Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashville, we have our 2023 Toyota Corolla SE. It's gonna start downpouring in a second, so I'm just gonna try to make this walk around real quick. Obviously, I'm a huge fan of the GR Corolla. I've driven the Corolla Cross. I haven't really checked out the normal Corolla, and I'm a big fan. It's for a compact, small car, this is a really lot of fun to drive. This one has the nice red sport interior. Make sure you guys don't have any, woohoo, that was a good one. Water on the camera. Let's see, oh, I like that, that's nice. Window sticker, everything like that. Pretty oh, that storm's a coming. All right. Couple different drive modes. Eco, normal, sport. We'll be in sport. I have a screw loose somewhere and I can't figure out where it is, and it's driving me nuts. And even on a highway where compact cars can kind of feel terrifying, I could cruise in this all day. I could be happy in this. Why is there a garbage can in the middle of the highway? Whew. I'm like tossed if I want to film the last car or not. The last car is a CLA 45 AMG, and I'm like, yeah. I don't know if, because it's going to be raining from now until, well, it's 7 o'clock. This is wrong. It's going to be raining from now until probably 9 p.m. So it's like, do I really want to run to my car in the pouring rain, or do I leave now and film the CLA tomorrow? I don't know. terms of handling, this thing's really good. I mean, not a M3, doesn't need to be for this price point. It's good, it's fun, playful, tossable. And I remember where they used to offer these in sticks, and I guess they still do in the GR, and it's just, the platform's perfect. And I love the look of the SE. It's just a perfect package for a beginner car or a cheap commuter. It's just good, and it runs forever and ever and ever because it's a Toyota, and the resale value stays so strong. You know, there's a running joke in the car industry that, you know, Hondas and Toyotas are worth 3 or 4 grand more than what they really should be in terms of aging auction cars, just because of the badge. You know, you'll have a Nissan Pathfinder, the ACVs for 2 grand, and if that was a Toyota Highlander, it ACV for 8 grand. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.